Right, let's get that little parcel shelf in. Pardon me. Scale Z. Thought it was a bit high. Right, scale Y, so it goes back. Right, so let's think. Can we get rid of it like this? Right, scale X. Finger on control. No. Extrude X. Finger on control. Snap to there. Scale X. Bit better if we could see that. Right, so again, extrude X. Control to that one there. Extrude X. Then you go and see. So hover over that where you want to snap it to. So we know where it is. Extrude X. Since it's restricted only to that X-axis, it's not gonna like snap back to it. So put mini on. Mini? Mirror? Extrude X and then just snap that in the center. Now, that you should be able to snap that to there, that to there, that to there. How about snap that to here? Wait, Jordan. Snap to there. Right, all merge. Distance 2, 2, 2. Put a 1 on that piece. Right. What's that on? 2 minutes, of course, because we've only just started. And you know what I forgot? That's okay. We large. Yeah, it's never too bad. So, take off something and right. So. Oh, I had a message, sorry. So, let's create that inner arch. Another one there. There. Then you realise, what was I doing this for? I think we got but is that? Oh, it's already, isn't it? 3 handy. It's 1. What I need these to create this. So if we go GY and snap to that, GY and snap to that. This doesn't look. Um, so it's GY Snapchat. GY Snapchat. GY. One here now. In theory, GZ snap to that one, or GY snap to that one, and it's kind of one up there, but should be okay. Right, so then we can just highlight that and go X1, bing, give. But has that just done more than I wanted? Yes, it has. You only need rid of the bit for the wheel arch, not all of this. So remove them, X1, and then this. That wheel arch too far to there to think? Yeah, it seems to come in quite far really, doesn't it? So do I extrude X and snap that to there? And then could. Ooh, no. No. So all merge distance and then bring that back to there. Sorry, extrude back to there. All merge again. That was an easier way of doing that. Right. F2. F. Oof. All drive A. Q. Go one. Scale Y back to there. 2. Right there. Yes, I've got to stop saying that now. Q. So the other one. What? So get all of these. Scale X. That didn't move. That's okay. So that's got to follow that shape. Actually, now it doesn't. These, in fact, looking at this, what's on there? Don't map it. 3, killer of X. 3. And that one, X3. That one as well. 3, 2, 1. No man, that one there. Extrude, just hover over where you want to go. Extrude, control, click. All merge 2. Alright, that F. Right. Yeah. But what I was going to say, since this is going to need to be thickened, this needs to be that one might be alright. Needs to be, yeah, let's see around there. G, Shift X, and snap to there. G, Z, and snap to there. Hopefully none of them have snapped into the center. Nice. Lovely. I don't think that really matters anymore like that. Because as the thickness of the body comes in, it's going to have to come into here also. For example, we'll leave that on. Extrude X, scale X. Oh, coordinates a tutorial now. Anyway, this is for figuring it out for myself. I'm also just thinking this. It's not really part of any interior extra, is it? Tell you what though, we'll just take that back out for now. And so all of that will be one piece. Chair will fit in against there. This will be thickened around down here and joined to there. Right. What's left to do here? The arch. Seriously? Tab 1, right. Scale line 0. Let's pull that to there. No, man, what are you doing? I don't think I can with that. With that? Yeah. Wait there a sec. Why does that look like it's getting bluer? That's why. So now extrude Y right maybe across there. scale 190, scale Z to there. What? Slide that back to the higher point there. Yep. And then scale Z. So then vertical cuts give there, there, and that EF there. Okay, somehow dropped. Not sure I've done that. I'm not sure that is the best idea of being solved. Pretty that needs to. How can we do this? Because the floor interior needs to be separate. News. What I'm thinking, extrude X, give it the overall thickness. Tricky one, this. That doesn't really need to go all the way down there. G, Z, snap you to there. G, Z. G, Shift X, snap to that one. No. Scale. Shift X again. A little complicated. G. Snap that one. G. Ooh. G. Set that back. G, Shift X. Snap that one. G, Shift X. Snap to that one. There need to be them ones. Oh man. Oh dear me. Thank you, order. I'll leave them there, right? So just in case, G, Shift X, snap that there. scale 5. And get rid of that. It's one. You see, that could create the interior wall, but it is hugely too thick. You want to be printing all this. Maybe that's okay. Oh, it's gone on here. Ah, yes. So what? Select all of them. Scale x3. And moved by distance 4 removed. No work, not did. Feeling there's a double face in there. See all these all different shades of grey. Actually, there's a hole there. A hole. Just get rid of these. Might as well. X3. Nope, there we go. Again, X3. 1. Get rid of them 2. X1. Oh, one, that one, and that one. Oh, one. There's more than one there, isn't there? No. Wait, so them two selected. Forwards. X. Bit. 2. F. Oops, Control Z. Why? Oh, why? It's got to be a double face or something here. Oh, look at that. It's distance 2. Yeah. One. Not sure what you are doing there. Yeah, because they weren't initially merged anyway. That's created them double bits. Right, so as you can see, go to normal, it looks normal. Go to X-ray, it's like crazy. So we'll go A for all, Shift N. Go to normals. So do is quickly show that face orientation. Oh, red's inside that what I'm supposed to see. Go. So all Shift N. That's face orientation. Not a tutorial. Right, so need to. This can't be the thickness of the front. Maybe, tell you what, we shall leave out there because that's on 20 odd minutes. Partial interior, walls, or less. Save, and I'll catch you in the next one.